Hi, my name is Allison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Elementor to your WordPress site. First, you're going to head to your WordPress dashboard, and then on the side menu, go to Plugins and Add New. Then, in the search bar, you're going to search for Elementor. We're going to be looking for the Elementor Page Builder, which is this one right here. You're going to click Install Now, and then once it's installed, you can either activate it right here on this page or go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and click Activate. Once it's activated, you can edit the settings, deactivate it, or upgrade to the Pro version. For right now, I'm going to go to Pages and Add New. Then I'm going to click Edit with Elementor, and it's going to import all the Elementor options. So with the basic version, I get all of these, and these are all just drag and drop. So I can drag an image and drop it right here, and then start editing. Or, if I upgrade to the Pro version, I unlock all of these. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we hope you subscribe to Alpha Hosting for more videos and updates.